Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. So first you want to select the range of the cells where you want to search in. Then on the top left, click on Format, then click on Conditional Formatting. Then you want to click on this option, scroll down, click on Custom Formula. On the value, you want to put an equal symbol. Then you want to put COUNTIF, then a parenthesis. Then you want to put the cell range. Then you want to add a dollar symbol on the range. Then a comma at the beginning of the cell, which for me is B2. Then a close parenthesis. Then you want to add this symbol. Then put 1. Then you can customize the color over here. Then just click on Done. And as you can see, the duplicates are now highlighted. So that's it. Thanks for watching.